Good morning. As always, ring the fish doorbell and help a fish in the Netherlands. Knock knock, who's there? 懐かしいですね。Knock knock, who's there? Oh, okay. It's just the fish trying to swim up a canal in the Netherlands, and all it needs is a kind person on the internet to help it do that. Every spring, thousands of fish swim through the city of Utrecht, about 35 kilometers south of Amsterdam, looking for a place to lay their eggs. I didn't know that. 鮭みたいですね。But they often have to stop and wait at the weird sluice lock, which doesn't open often in spring, and while they wait, they are vulnerable to predators. One day in 2021, ecologist Mark van Heukelum was telling that a weird sluice lock manager about this problem. We could literally see the fish swimming there at the boat lock. I told him that this boat lock should be open during the spring for the fish, he told Atlas Obscura. The manager said he'd happily open the lock when fish were waiting, but there was one problem. They couldn't be seen from land. That's when Van Hukelam thought of setting up an underwater camera that could live stream the fish. But he couldn't watch the camera himself at all times, so he turned to the internet for help and set up a website for the fish doorbell. How cute is that? This is very nice. Yeah, I love that idea. The idea is simple. Anyone can watch the live stream on the website. If they see a fish, they press the doorbell button. This will send a message to the lock staff, who can then open the door. The fish doorbell became popular very quickly. In its first spring, the bell was rung more than 100,000 times, 100,000 times by people all over the world. That's cool. The website is so popular today that it has capped the number of people who can ring the doorbell at the time to about 950, but the stream is still available to anyone who wants to watch. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, if it's ringing all the time, the guy would be very, very busy. Ne? Yeah, why did Mark van Hukelem want to stop fish from waiting at the weird slice lock? Yeah, how many times was the fish doorbell rung in its first spring? How many people can ring the doorbell at the once? Discussions. What are your thoughts on the fish doorbell? Have you watched any interesting animal live streams or every day with those guys? Do you have a fish tank? Actually, I do. If so, what type of fish do you have? I have this size, very big size goldfish, which we got from a kindergarten festival when my kids were small. They grow from this size to this size. If so, what type? Okay. If not, would you like to get one? You should. It's fun. Are there any lakes or rivers in your area? Do you ever spend time around them? Have you ever been scuba diving? I haven't done it for a long time. Or snorkeling. What interesting sea creatures did you see? Yeah, I see a sea turtle. It was very cool. Have you been to the Netherlands? Yes, I have. I wish I can go back again. If so, what did you enjoy most about it? If not, would you like to? Oh, everything was fun in Netherlands. Yeah. Do you enjoy watching animal documentaries? What's the best one you've seen? I saw too many. I forgot what is good. Everything is cool. Animal is so fun. What are some of the best places in your country to see wildlife? Is your region home to any vulnerable or endangered species? I know there are some. But what endangered animals would you like to see someday? うーん、誕生するとかですかね。See.